Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python is a popular and versatile programming language used in a wide range of applications, from web development to data analysis and machine learning. Python 3.10.0 is one of the latest versions of Python and comes with several new features and improvements. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to install Python 3.10.0 on a Windows 10 computer. Visit the official Python website at https://www.python.org/download/release/python-3100 in your web browser. Scroll down to the Files section, and you will see various installers for different platforms. Click on the link that says Windows Installer, 64-bit, if you have a 64-bit version of Windows 10. If you have a 32-bit version of Windows 10, you can choose Windows Installer, 32-bit. The installer file will start downloading. It may take a few moments to complete, depending on your internet connection. Locate the downloaded installer file. It should be named something like Python 3.10.0 AMD64.exe for 64-bit or Python 3.10.0.exe for 32-bit. Double-click on the installer file to run it. A user account control, UAC, prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your system. The Python installer will open. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.10 to path. This will make it easier to run Python from the command line. Click the Install Now button to start the installation process. The installer will copy Python files to your computer. You will see a progress bar indicating the installation status. Once the installation is complete, you will see a screen that says Setup was successful. You can now click the Close button to exit the installer. To verify that Python 3.10.0 was successfully installed, open the Windows command prompt. Press Win+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type CMD and press Enter to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. You should see output similar to. This confirms that Python 3.10.0 is installed on your Windows 10 system. You can start using Python by running Python scripts, creating Python files, or using Python in interactive mode. Here's a simple example to test Python. Create a new Python file, with a .py extension, using a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. In the Python file, write the following code and save it. Open the command prompt, navigate to the directory where you saved the Python file, and run it using the following command. Replace your _script.py with the actual name of your Python file. You should see the output Hello, Python 3.10.0, displayed in the command prompt, indicating that Python 3.10.0 is correctly installed and running on your Windows 10 system. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Python 3.10.0 on your Windows 10 computer and tested a basic Python script. You're now ready to explore Python further and start building your own Python applications. ChatGPT